IGCSE Computer Science, Syllabus Statement 1.3.2b, describe the stages of the fetch-execute cycle, including the use of registers. So the last video we had a look at the von Neumann model of the CPU, and we looked at three of the registers in depth. We looked at the MAR, MDR, and accumulator. So we looked at how the MAR and MDR worked with reading and writing, and how the accumulator worked with storing the results of calculations, which the ALU made. So this video is not only going to go through the CIR and PC in depth, but along with most of the other registers as well. So this video basically is how the CPU processes instructions and executes them. So the fetch-execute cycle. So this is how it works. So the program counter, the PC, contains the address of the next instruction to be fetched. This address is then copied to the MAR via the address bus. The instruction at the address is copied into the MDR temporarily, so the memory data register. This is the instruction in the MDR is then placed in the current instruction register, the CIR. And the CIR is, as it says, it contains the current instruction being processed. If the instruction contains an address, it is placed in the MAR. The instruction is then decoded and executed. Now this is done by signals being sent out via the control bus to the components of the CPU. Then the value of the PC is incremented, pointing to the next instruction to be fetched. Now this is called the fetch-execute cycle, because this happens in a cycle. This keeps cycling. So it'll keep doing this, because there's always an instruction to be processed pretty much. So for example, when I'm moving my cursor, there's always an instruction being fetched and executed as I move this. So that's pretty much how it works. And we're going to look at the input and output devices in the next two topics, which is quite a lot of theory, but it's all fun theory. It's nothing too boring. So yeah, that's it.